This video is about the top 10 strongest character in the Naruto anime. This list includes some names that might surprise you and others that you might already to able to guess. Throughout the video, we will see the each character and earn a spot on this list. So stay until the end. Number 10. Night Guy, a taijutsu master. His abilities include the 8 inner gates, immense physical strength, and incredible speed. Number 9. Itachi Uchiha, a genius shinobi. His power include the Sharingan, Amaterasu, and Susanoo. Number 8. Obito Uchiha, the leader of the Akatsuki. His abilities are Kamui, 6 Path Seismode, and various jutsu. Number 7. Hashirama Senju, the first Hokage. His powers include Odi style, ninjutsu, tenjutsu, and the power of the Sage of 6 Paths. Number 6. Ishiki Utsutsuki, an alien and powerful villain. His power include the ability to shrink things, time control, and immense strength. Number 5. Madara Uchiha, the most powerful shinobi of the Uchiha clan. His abilities include a superior Sharingan, Senjutsu, and tailed beast powers. Number 4. Sasuke Uchiha, possessor of the Rinnegan and Sharingan. His power include Susanoo and space time. Number 3. Naruto Uzumaki, wielder of the 9 tails fox power. His abilities are 6 Paths Seismode, Rasengan, and Rasen Shuriken. Number 2. Hagoromo Utsutsuki, known as the Sage of 6 Paths. His power includes 6 Paths power, being the creator of all ninjutsu and truth-seeking orbs. Number 1. Kaguya Utsutsuki, most powerful character in Naruto universe, the source of all chakra. Her powers include infinite chakra, the ability to dimension hope, and bone-based weapons.